Looking for the perfect Android tablet? This year's lineup brings stunning displays, lightning-fast performance, and next-level AI features that redefine portability. From budget-friendly options to premium powerhouses, we've tested and ranked the top 5 best Android tablets of 2026, so you can pick the one that truly fits your lifestyle. Let's dive into the future of smart productivity. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. If you're ready, let's get started. Number 5. Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro. First thing, the design. The graphite gray finish looks sleek and minimal, with a solid metal body that feels premium in hand. The 12.1-inch display is big, bright, and great for watching movies or multitasking, although the bezels are a bit thick compared to higher-end models. It runs on an octa-core processor with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. That's quite generous for this price range. Everyday performance is smooth, apps open fast, browsing is fluid, and even light gaming works fine. But don't expect flagship-level gaming power. The 10,000 mAh battery is a beast. It easily lasts more than a full day with streaming and light work. Plus, Bluetooth 5.3 ensures stable connection with accessories like keyboards or earbuds. It has an 8-megapixel dual camera, which is decent for video calls or scanning documents. But let's be real, tablets aren't for photography. The front camera does the job for online classes and meetings. Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi version offers excellent value. A big screen, solid battery life, and smooth performance at a reasonable price. If you want a tablet for entertainment, study, or light work, this is a great pick. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Right off the bat, the Tab S10 Ultra feels premium. It's huge at 14.6 inches, super thin, and that AMOLED Nebula display is absolutely stunning. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and it's perfect for watching movies or editing photos. It packs 12GB of RAM and a 256GB SSD, which makes everything from multitasking to gaming feel buttery smooth. The Android 14 OS runs clean and fast, and Samsung's DeX mode really adds that desktop feel. The included S Pen works flawlessly, super responsive, and great for notes or creative work. Plus, the fingerprint reader is fast and accurate, and the Wi-Fi only model keeps things simple if you don't need mobile data. Battery life is solid, easily lasts a full day with mixed use. Honestly, it's expensive, but if you want the best Android tablet experience in 2025, the Tab S10 Ultra is the one to beat. It's powerful, premium, and built to impress.
Number 3. OnePlus Pad 3. Right out of the box, the OnePlus Pad 3 looks premium. The storm blue finish and ultra-slim 5.97mm aluminum body give it a sleek, high-end feel. The 13.2-inch 3.4K LCD display with 144Hz refresh rate is super smooth, perfect for movies, games, or multitasking. It's bright, crisp, and honestly one of the best LCD panels out there. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and 12GB of RAM, this tablet flies through apps and games. No lag, no stutter, just fast and fluid performance. It feels as powerful as some laptops. The massive 12,140 mAh battery easily lasts a full day of heavy use, and with 80-watt fast charging, it juices up super quick. That's a big plus for travelers and students. The 8-speaker Dolby Atmos setup is impressive. The sound is loud, clear, and immersive, great for Netflix or YouTube binge sessions. Honestly, the OnePlus Pad 3 nails performance, display, and battery life. The only downside? It's on the pricier side, and it's LCD, not OLED. But for the overall experience, it's definitely one of the best Android tablets right now. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra AI Wi-Fi model. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra AI Wi-Fi model made specially for the Latin America market. It comes with a massive 14.6-inch AMOLED display, super thin bezels, and that premium metal finish we all expect from Samsung. Inside, it's rocking 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, powered by Samsung's latest AI integration. Multitasking feels buttery smooth, whether you're editing, gaming, or watching movies. And that huge 11,600 mAh battery easily lasts a full day of heavy use. You also get a 13-megapixel dual rear camera and an ultra-wide front cam, which are surprisingly good for video calls. The S Pen is included in the box, responsive and perfect for drawing or note-taking. Now the downside, this Wi-Fi only version is made only for Latin America, so it might miss some global features or updates. Also, it's definitely on the expensive side. But performance-wise, it's a beast. So if you're after a premium Android tablet with a massive display, strong battery, and pro-level multitasking, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra won't disappoint. But if you're on a budget, you might want to look at the Tab S9 series instead.
Number 1. Apple iPad Pro. The first thing you'll notice is that Ultra Retina XDR display. It's ridiculously sharp and bright. Watching HDR content or editing photos here feels like working on a professional monitor. Inside, the new M4 chip absolutely flies. Whether you're editing 4K videos, running 3D design software, or multitasking with heavy apps, it handles everything effortlessly. The 12-megapixel front and back cameras plus the LiDAR scanner make it great for AR experiences and high-quality content creation. The front camera is now in landscape mode, which finally makes video calls look natural. You also get Wi-Fi 6E for faster connectivity, Face ID for instant unlock, and all-day battery life, which Apple actually delivers on this time. Now, let's be real, this iPad is expensive, and for casual users, it's overkill. But if you're into design, video editing, or want a future-ready tablet built for Apple Intelligence, this is hands down the best iPad you can buy right now. So yeah, premium, powerful, and insanely fast. That's the M4 iPad Pro, but only worth it if you'll truly use all that power. Outro. Thanks for watching. These were the 5 best Android tablets of 2026, perfect for work, study, and entertainment. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tech reviews, and check the links in the description to get your favorite tablet at the best Amazon deals.